Hello, this is Principal Reyes. It is a pleasure to welcome you to our Westbrook Elementary 2024-2025 Open House, your A-rated school, your school of excellence. At Westbrook, we are working as a team every day for a successful school year through learning, collaboration, and communication. We are working on providing learning opportunities at the Florida Benchmarks for Instruction. We have the Going for the Gold theme this year. Our team approach where every student has part of the success for Westbrook. We all have the power to learn and share. At the same time, we are providing tools for our story of success to be meaningful for every student. We will continue to work together to ensure student success is evident. Our students' work and scores are the evidence we have to stay motivated. We will continue to concentrate on the processes to maximize advancement, evaluate what we have, determine what we can do to improve, and identify what we need to make those improvements. Remember, we are the best school with the best team. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until the good gets better and your better gets best. Students, remember to show what you know. Show what you know the first time. Thank you for being part of Team Westbrook, a place of high expectations for all students, where a culture of success is nurtured every day. Going for the goal, go team.